Hi, in this video I'm going to go through question 30 on IMAT 2012. So here we're told that after a long period of dry weather, the water container in my garden is only 28% full. However, last week it rained, and that rain caused the water in my container to increase by 25%. Now, a similar amount of rain is predicted for this week, and we want to know if the container gets the same amount of rainwater this week as it did last week, what percentage of its capacity will it contain? Okay, so here's my water container, and originally after the period of dry weather it was filled to 28% full. So here it's now filled to 28%, and I've done 28 water drops here, so each drop is like 1%. But anyway, now the water is going to increase by 25% because of the rain last week. So how much is 25% of what we have here? Well, 25% is a quarter, right? So let's just take a quarter of what we have, and that's how much we increase by. And now this week we're predicting the same amount of rain again. So if we're going to get the same amount of rainwater, we increase by the amount that we had before, or by the amount we increased by before. And this is how full my container is. So what percentage capacity of my container is full then? Well, to answer that question, we're going to need to know the percentage of the total capacity that we increased by each time. So what percentage of the full capacity have we increased by here? Well, that's made easier by the fact that each of my water droplets represents 1% of the total capacity. So we can see that we have 7 droplets here. So that is an extra 7%. And if you don't draw a diagram with loads of water drops, because let's face it, you probably won't have the time, remember we increased by a quarter of what we had originally, and a quarter of 28 is just 7. So we increased by 7% of the total capacity, and then we increased by 7% of the total capacity again. So we have 28% of the total capacity plus 7% plus another 7%, and 28 plus 7 is 42%. So our answer is 42, and that gives us solution B.